how to share your Google Calendar with others on Android. This tutorial shows you how to give someone access to view or edit your calendar on your Android device. First, open the Google Calendar application on your Android device. Next, you'll see your calendar with all your events displayed. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Now, scroll down through the menu to see all your calendars. You'll see your calendar listed under your email address. Moving forward, tap on the settings icon or gear icon at the top. This will open your calendar settings. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on the calendar you want to share. For example, if you want to share your main calendar, tap on it. You'll see various settings for that calendar. Look for Share with Specific People or Add People. Tap on Share with Specific People to add someone. Now tap on Add People at the bottom. A text field will appear asking for an email address. Enter the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Once you've typed the email, you'll see permission options. Tap on the permission drop-down to choose their access level. You can select See All Event Details for view-only access, or select Make Changes to Events to let them edit your calendar. Choose the appropriate permission level based on what you want to allow. Tap Send to share the calendar with that person. They'll receive an email invitation to access your calendar. Once they accept, they can view or edit your calendar from their own Google Calendar app. To stop sharing, go back to the same settings. Tap on the person's email and select Remove Access. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you share your Google Calendar with others on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Google Calendar tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.